The joys of hiking in the rain. Which way should I go? Colt or pine? Or shall I climb? Climb up Kaiser Trail. It's a bit wet, but not too wet. Mostly dry. Keep the camera dry anyway. I'll go up Kaiser. No noise, just the sound of the rain. Hiking when other humans aren't. We're gonna have to drop that one of these days. We shouldn't keep that there. It's falling. There's fragments below, which means it's going to drop. So we should do it before it drops by itself. Tennis ball on a sharp metal spike. Good idea. A bit of work to do here. Just shove it over and clean up.